Happy Wednesday! You're doing the Natural Resources and Economies of Latin America today, and I will give you 3 of the 6 questions just to kind of encourage you to get through it. And we'll start with this one. Which of the following countries does not nationalize its oil reserves? That would be Panama, I think. Wow, I forgot. Central American countries are important agricultural producers. Each year, the United States imports about $5 billion worth of coffee, which I desperately need right now. Let's see. Let's go with our last one. Will be this one. U.S. companies are prohibited from trading or doing business with Cuba. Okay, so those are 3 of the 6 questions that you have to answer for today. I'm also uploading a study guide. You will need to go to Clever to access your textbook and read chapters 6 through 9 in order to answer those questions. Please send me a message today if you have any questions, okay? Have a good day. Bye-bye.